The object of the game is to move all of your pieces off of the board before your opponent. To do so, you roll 2 die, moving the number of spaces indicated. Doubles count twice, so in this case I would be able to move 6 4 times. I can only move on to one of the spaces if it is occupied by no one, my own pieces, or one of my opponent's pieces. And if it is open, I can land on one of my opponent's pieces, then I knock it off of the board and onto the bar. When a piece is on the bar, the person owning the white piece can only move any of his pieces if he has first moved this piece back onto the board. Once a player has moved all of his pieces onto the home board, then he may begin bearing his pieces off, which is the end game. And once he has done so, then he may bear off the pieces. So in this case, I rolled a 4 and a 5. So I can move my 5 and my 4 piece off. And I will continue to do so until I have moved all of these pieces off of the board and into this space. Now there's 2 ways you can win. Well, 3 actually. You can win your basic way, which would be my opponent had moved some of his pieces into here, and I had moved all of my pieces into here. And then there's gammon, which I have moved all of my pieces into here before my opponent has any. And then there's backgammon, which is when I have moved all of my pieces into here, and my opponent still has one on the board, one on this bar, which is very, very difficult to do. In conclusion, when this game is played properly, it is very fun and incredibly frustrating. I enjoy it greatly.